No niin hei, Yamahan osastolla nyt, ja täällä on nyt kuulokkeita. Yamaha on ollut aikoinaan siis aika kovakin sana kuulokkeissa 80-90-luvulla, ne tippui siitä pois. Nyt kuulokkeet on taas niin kuin megatrendi, ja Yamaha julkaisi sen 5-tonnisen, muistaakseni viime vuonna, ja siinä tuli se kuulokevahvistin. Tosi kallis luuri, mutta nyt on tullut uusia malleja ja täällä on nyt prototyypit uudesta 4-tonnisesta ja meillä on Magnus Yamahalta Ruotsissa kertomassa vähän tästä kuulokkeesta. Moi, hi there.
Hi there.
Yeah.
Moi.
Hey son. Okay, now we talk about, now there's 5,000, now this is a prototype of 4,000.
Yes,
and
correct.
What's the difference and can tell me something about this?
The big differences are that we are trying to provide a new sound signature because listener reviews of the 5000 indicated that some people felt a need for a bit more bass, and also some people felt a bit estranged about the huge soundscape. So we wanted to make a version with a little more bass and a little tighter stereo image, a little more cozy and intimate setting. So that meant the 4,000. Also, we also wanted to move it down to a nicer price range, which meant that certain components are a little less exclusive.
But it still looks, almost the same.
Everything on the outside is the same except for this headband, which is now steel.
Okay.
But the cable is a bit simpler.
Okay.
And it's just one cable, non-balanced with it. It works obviously with the balanced cables as well, but it doesn't come with it. And it comes with only one set of earpads.
Okay.
Also, the filter, the filter that is inside here, that tunes the resonance chamber, the open chamber, is changed from the very expensive metal mesh weave that we have in the 5000 to a much simpler composite filter.
Like plastic.
Like plastic, yeah. Easy to make and inexpensive.
But that filter, you say that it changes, it tunes the sound, indeed.
Yes.
Can you change the filters?
Yeah, you can. You can remove them,
okay.
But I don't know what would happen.
Okay.
This is
because that's actually interesting thing that I don't know. Is it Dan Clark or what headphone manufacturer? They have these kind of filters you can change.
Yeah.
And like fine tune the sound. And he mentioned before that these could be like 3D printed, these filters.
Yes.
So it gives me an idea that okay, you can really do those yourself and fine tune the sound then.
I would think so.
Yeah.
But that would also be very un-Yamaha-like.
Yes,
so this
indeed.
would be something that would happen on the head-fi.
But yes, I know.
Circuit.
But this is you can open the
you can remove this.
Yes, and you see the filter there.
There's the filter.
Yes.
There's one and there's another one.
Okay.
There. Yeah. So you could just. We're not going to remove them because those are prototypes.
Yes.
But you can remove this.
Okay.
Yeah. And so technically, if you want to mess around, you can.
Yeah.
And also, very efficient way to tune all headphones is to switch out the head.
Yes.
The air cushions.
Yeah.
So this is the golden midway with the leatherette on the out and inside, and the softer fabric in the middle.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting.
So now you made me put this back again.
But what about the price then, though? Because
no comment.
No comment.
I have to kill you first.
Yes, we have a discussion before this, and I want to not be killed this far.
No, so but okay. So let's be honest. Let's be fair. Since this has only the one cable that is a simple black cable, compared to this that has two braided cables, one of them balanced, and we have two sets of earpads on this one, just the one set here. We have this really complicated filter on those and this really simple filter on those, and this comes with a stand and this doesn't.
Yeah.
So it will mean that this will cost less. And that's all I can say.
Okay. Okay. Yes, but mainly the other the drivers and the
drivers are identical. It's
yes.
the same driver. It's the same everything on the outside except for the color bits here. Everything else is the same.
Actually, I assume that the price difference is not very big. But we will see. We will see. Do you know when the price will be revealed?
Actually, I think it's in August.
August. Okay. Okay.
I think so.
That's nice. Okay. All right. Hey. Then sitten siellä on toinenkin kulkeutuus, joka on sit enemmän selvästi niin kuin tämä on high-sektori joka tapauksessa hinnaltaan, mutta tuolta löytyy 3-tonninen niin sanotusti perusmallistosta, mennään katsoa sitä, ja siellä on myös uusi kuulokevahvistin. Ja nyt kun taikaiskusta siirrymme tänne toiselle osastolle. Ja täällä on 3-tonniset. And okay, this is like a normal headphone.
Yeah, it's closed back.
It's closed back, yes.
Yeah.
And there is no same principles than
no.
Yes.
It's those the YH 5000 and 4000 are magnet planar.
Yes.
And this is a dynamic driver.
Yes.
Yeah, 50 millimeter dynamic driver made out of silane pulp mix, and so there's a thin membrane, there's a foam core, and a thin backside.
Okay.
So it's very light, very good high damping, and extended frequency response. And so this is the YHC 3000. Shares the cable with a 4000, so it's not a luxury cable, it's more of a everyday cable.
It's quite flexible.
Yeah, it's nice to handle, and it comes with the normal remover, so you can use it in the phone if you want to.
Yes, okay.
Or in a portable plane. The special part really is the outside, which this is beach, which in Finnish was
Pyökki.
böke. Yep.
We have to. Tästä tulee varmaan sanomista. Beach.
Bok på svenska, för er som pratar svenska. Bok.
Tämä täytyy olla pyökki, mutta tämä tarkastetaan ja pannaan tämä tekstimuodossa tähän sitten myöhemmin. All right.
It's a reddish kind of...
Whatsoever.
Okay, whatever.
Very expect material.
Yeah, so this is beechwood that was chosen because it was the best wood they can find sound-wise. They liked the tuning of the wood, and therefore they painted it with really, really thin paint to protect the wood, but not to inhibit the vibrations. Yes, and the reason for painting it black is that they wanted them black.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah.
But actually, I think it's universal color as well.
Yes, of course
it suits for
is.
everybody.
Yes. And this comes with an old
inside joke.
Yeah, exactly. Bad English. Sorry. And those are full leather ear pads. You get a bit tighter bass.
Real leather?
I don't actually know. I hope not. I think because I know we have a lot of friends that will get mad if this is vegan leather. So I hope it's vegan leather.
This is important these days.
Yes, it is. And so the rest also, it comes with the same equipment as the 4000, which is no stand and so on. And this will be less expensive than the 4000.
Is there still a case?
Yes,
carry
case. Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Semi-hard carry case.
Okay.
So it would take. I threw one off my balcony.
Okay.
And the case was fine. The headphone, everything was fine.
Okay,
so
that's fine.
Good for traveling.
Yes.
But they're kind of bulky because it gets to be kind of high.
Yeah.
But it's a really good quality thing. Yeah. So that's the YHC 3000.
And not priced yet as well?
No, not priced yet.
So it's free?
It's probably.
Almost.
I can just give you a pair right now. Yeah. No, but seriously, so the 4000 is less expensive than the 5000, and this is the 3000, so you do your math.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, what impedance this has? What's the impedance of?
I think it's 32 ohms. It doesn't say.
It's 5.
No, the 50 millimeter.
50.
It's
the
size of the driver.
Okay.
Yeah. But I would guess it's 32 ohms. I'll check. Here's the news. We don't know.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, because all the Japanese guys, they left 10 minutes ago.
Okay, they know.
And they didn't tell us.
Okay.
But it's like this. Some things, like the price, they want to keep secret.
Okay.
They don't want to talk about.
Yeah. But
I would guess they're low impedance.
Yeah.
I would guess yes.
Yes.
Because when you listen to them, they are loud as
yes.
F. Yeah.
Okay, then we have this.
Yeah. Does your viewers know about this already?
Yes, it's familiar
Okay.
with us. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you know the HAL7A. So this is the HA3000, which, if we talk about differences, they have removed those two toroid transformers, and instead they're EI transformers inside. So very modern transformers that I like, but they're not as spectacular. So we can put them in the box. Also, the kind of in Finland not used that much, the DSP with the halls and reverberations, those are totally gone from this one.
It's more pure.
More pure, yes. We also have more power, so it's 1.2 watts at 32 ohms now.
That's a lot, yes.
Yeah. So should be enough to drive most headphones. We still have all the DAC filters from this one, of course, but this time it's dual 2 stereo DACs instead of an 8-channel DAC,
Yes,
which is in
okay.
this one. And special for Finland, we have the balanced output to put the Genelec speakers on.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the balanced input.
Yeah.
So if you have studio equipment,
That's nice,
or
yes,
whatever,
yeah.
And as we said, a joke earlier, but you can put this in preamp mode where you use the volume, in line level where it's fixed volume, or you can in finish mode where you just turn everything off.
Okay.
That was the other way around. Yeah. So we turn the output stage off if you don't use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are, and if I remember right, the price of this is also not available
idea.
yet.
Yes. But it will be less expensive than this.
Yes,
Of course.
and but the availability.
For the headphones, it's I would say early winter.
Early winter, August now.
No.
Too early.
I would say maybe they reveal the price in August.
Okay.
I think we will see those realistically October, November.
Okay.
And this probably January, February, something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they are quite early stage then, and
Yes.
this also maybe.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So both the headphones should arrive at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah. And as soon as we have them, we'll be sure to let you review them and let you listen to the done examples.
Yes.
Because now we don't even know if the sound is 100%. Although the 4000 sound
They
a
are
lot like the 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you heard the right differences. So
Yeah. Thank you. Some words in Finnish. Tosiaan me kuunneltiin näitä, nämä on prototyyppejä ja ikävä kyllä me nyt ei hintoja saatu tietää vielä ja muuta. Mutta soundissa sen verran, että oli selkeästi niin kuin enemmän bassoa tuossa 4-tonnisessa kuin 5-tonnisessa. Mutta toisaalta vähän se ehkä menetti semmoista niin kuin kirkkautta, mutta niin kuin hän sanoi, niin ei välttämättä vielä ole niin kuin lopulliset tunnetukset tehty niihin. Ja sama koski näitä. Mutta tämä on niin kuin mielenkiintoinen, mutta toki te harmittaa nyt tämä, että sitä hintaa ei ole vielä saatavana, että onko kyse nyt sitten niin kuin tonnin laitteesta, 2 tonnin laitteesta, 3 tonnin laitteesta, ne vaikuttaa aika paljon siihen sitten, että kuinka kiinnostavaa se loppujen lopuksi on. Mutta tämmöiset täältä Yamahalta nyt sitten, ja me jatketaan matkaa seuraaviin kohteisiin ja kiitetään Magnusta. Thank you, Magnus. I love you a lot.
love you too, Teppo.
Yes, see you later.